Everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and everything going well in life. Today I am going to tell you the biggest myth, the biggest misconception which are stopping you to improve your communication skills, which are stopping you to speak English with fluently. The biggest myth that I have seen in Indian people, they start thinking that if I keep always reading book, reading can only help me to speak English fluently. This is the biggest myth that people are follow. People are making such a mistakes. That's why they are unable to speak English fluently. 99% makes mistake. They think that if I remember thousands of vocabulary, if I memorizing grammar rules, I can become a fluent English language. Of course, this is not true. This is completely false. In order to speak fluently, but we don't need to go in depth grammar rule. We just need basic grammars. Grammars. Why we need to study of grammar? We need to basic grammars rules. Grammars help to our language just polish. That's why we need to study basic rules of grammars. We don't need to study of grammars for many months, years. Still, you start hesitating to speak in front of people. Why? Because you just memorizing grammatically rules. When real time comes speaking, you just start sticking on the same level. Why? Because you don't know speak, you don't know the right path, you don't know the right path of improving this language. Many learners are keeping videos, are keeping listening podcast. At that moment every single thing is available, free podcast, videos, content, and everything is free of cost. They think that if I keep watching every time videos, they just are consuming content, but they are not speaking in real time. That's why they are unable to speak English confidently. The myth number second is, they think that if I learn thousands of vocabulary, if I learn more vocabulary, I the more fluent I will become. Before I start speaking, if I know thousands of vocabulary, I can speak more fluently than before, than others. This is the biggest myth I have seen in Indian people. That's why they are unable to speak English fluently. In order to speak English, we will have to need basic vocabulary. We don't need to use difficult word and high weight vocabulary in our conversation. When real time comes, they are not unable to use them, those vocabulary that they prepared. That's why because they don't use those vocabulary in their real life conversation. When real life comes, they start fumbling, they start agitation, why they start shivering, because they don't try to speak. They never spoke those content that they prepared yesterday. This is the biggest misconception many learners are doing in their life. They spend many months, many years, still they cannot see improvement. Why? Because they just memorizing vocabulary, but they just memorizing grammar rules. Many learners think that I am reading a book every day, I can be a fluent in English language. Let me ask a question. If you are reading a book only, do you think that you can speak English with fluently, without hesitation, without fumbling? Only reading books. Your answer is yes, of course not. From my perspective, if you are on podium, you have to deliver any kind of message to the audience, but you are doing this activity first time, you will 100% make a mistake because you are not ready to, you are not that much comfortable to speak in front of people. That's why you start shivering, that's why you start fumbling, that's why you start agitation. What we need to do exactly, you need to speak multiple times, keep practicing every single day. They just start consuming content, but they don't practice. This is the biggest miss that people are doing in their life. That's why they are unable to speak English confidently. If you have dream to become a confident English speaker, so just start practicing every single day. If you have to watch any kind of videos like motivational, free podcast, and video which is related to English language, after watching those videos, start speaking on your page. Then you will speak, the improvement will come out. Sometimes you never come out from watching page. You always keep watching videos, you always keep podcast videos, but you don't speak. Rarely. That's why you are never to speak English confidently. Never think about grammar perfect. We need basic grammars so that our English becomes more polished and natural. We will have to focus more and more speaking comes by speaking, listening comes by listening. This is the simple rules that we need to follow. If we have to speak in front of people with confidently, we will have to speak multiple times. So keep improving, keep practicing every single day. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, more super interesting, see you in the next session.